Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So, wherever Neo goes, they have to build recognition. Unlike Rolls-Royce, imagine if you're talking to an Eskimo and he doesn't even understand English. But if you mention to him Rolls-Royce, he will say, oh yes, Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce. They know no matter where you go, Rolls-Royce has built its name. It's been around for a long time. Even if you say to him Ford and General Motors, well, maybe not them, but Rolls-Royce. You get the point. Building recognition, Manio is doing it at record pace, guys, record pace, due to superior marketing. They have learned. Yes, Neo is still facing some headwinds. For example, Macron is still fighting the Chinese expansion. You may not like Macron, but he has some big balls, some say even his wife. Nevertheless, Neo charges ahead. Soaring sales in Norway signal global ambitions. Oslo, Norway, in the land of fjords and northern lights. A quiet automotive revolution is gaining serious momentum. Chinese electric vehicle pioneer Neo is not just navigating Norwegian roads, it's cruising towards a significant milestone. Buoyed by robust and growing sales, the company's stock is on track for a 15-month high, a powerful testament to its successful European strategy and the compelling appeal of its innovative offerings. Norway, the world's most mature EV market, is a critical proving ground for any electric brand, with over 80% of new car sales being electric. So just like in China, Neo has to prove themselves in Norway, and they're doing it, guys. Norwegian consumers are discerning, eco-conscious, and tech-savvy. Neo's rising success here is no accident. It's the result of a calculated and community-focused approach that extends far beyond simply selling cars. More than a car, the power swap advantage. While many automakers focus solely on charging speed, Neo brought its unique flagship technology to Norway. The battery swap station, in a climate where cold weather can challenge battery performance and charging times. Yes, Neo's solution is a game changer. The driver can pull into a swap station and in under 5 minutes exchange a depleted battery for a fully charged one, soon in 89 seconds. This addresses key consumer anxieties about range, battery degradation, and time. Norwegians love practical, efficient solutions, says Annika Hansen, an Oslo-based EV analyst. Neo's battery system isn't just a novelty, it's a legitimate advantage, especially for those without home charging or for long winter journeys. It's a major point of differentiation that's clearly resonating. This infrastructure commitment is tangible. Neo is steadily expanding its power swap station network across key Norwegian routes, creating a reliable and swift energy replenishment ecosystem that complements traditional fast charging options. Building a community, not just a customer base. Oh, no, no, no. Neo's philosophy has always centered on fostering a loyal community, or as they call it, a tribe. The iconic Neo houses in Oslo and elsewhere are not dealerships, they are clubhouse-style spaces where owners and enthusiasts can work, socialize, attend events, and connect. This deep focus on user experience and belonging is creating brand advocates in Norway, turning owners into passionate ambassadors. The sense that you're part of something innovative and forward-thinking is strong, says Eric Larson, a Neo ET7 owner from Bergen. You're not just buying a car, he said, you're buying into a vision for sustainable mobility and a great user experience. The service and the community are exceptional, he says. A portfolio hitting the right notes. Neo's model lineup is perfectly poised for the Nordic market. The elegant ET7 executive sedan and the versatile EL7 SUV offered a premium quality advanced driver assistance systems and sleek design. No Norwegian consumer expecting the premium segment, the soon-to-arrive more affordable ET5 is anticipated to broaden NIO's appeal even further, potentially capturing a significant share of the crucial family and younger professional market, a beacon for global growth. The rising sales in Norway and the consequent investor optimism reflected in the approaching stock high are critical indicators. They prove that NIO's Formula Premium Smart EV is a revolutionary battery service system, and an unparalleled user community can succeed outside of China. Because the critics were saying they're not sure if this will succeed out of China. Well, they don't have to be sure. We're sure, and it's happening, guys. This Norwegian success is a blueprint, states financial markets observer Liam Chen. It validates NIO's global expansion strategy. If you can win over the knowledgeable Norwegian EV buyer, you can gain credibility in the rest of Europe and beyond. The market is recognizing the execution and future potential. The road ahead is long, with fierce competition from established European and American brands. However, NIO's trajectory in Norway illuminates a clear path by offering a holistic, human-centric electric ecosystem. And NIO is not just selling cars, guys. It is successfully exporting a new vision for the premium electric lifestyle. As its swap stations multiply, its community grows. NIO's Norwegian journey is becoming a powerful driving force, propelling the brand toward an increasingly bright and sustainable future. No wonder NIO's sale in December is skyrocketing yet again. Oh yes, I remember when we were struggling in the Norwegian market. But the educated Norwegians are catching on. They are understanding that time equates money. You don't have time to wait 20 minutes, 30 minutes to charge a car. Apart from that, they understand battery degradation. They are a savvy consumer, just like most of Europe. So guess what's getting ready to happen, guys? The revolution has started. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.